My name's Abigail Bauer. I'm a 2L at the University of Tulsa College of Law. Taking most classes, you learn how to study, but you don't learn how to practice. I think that Professor Martin, Mimi, does a really great job of saying, this is the real world. You're being taught the real world experience before you're gonna get necessarily dinged for it, whereas it might cost you a job or cost you a client. It's invaluable. The other classes develop us for the material, but not the experience. And so, in my opinion, probably without taking this, I wouldn't have realized what I was missing out. But now taking it, I realized I would not be prepared in any aspect for the real world. Take it, internships and externships, you're gonna get benefit and you're gonna get a taste of it, but you're never gonna have the risk reward of taking a clinic class where it's all or nothing. I think that contracts are so cool. I think that it's really interesting that the words you use, or even just the order of your wording, makes a world of a difference. I'm probably one of the only ones in clinic that I'm not necessarily looking towards the change the world law practice. I want to do the nitty-gritty, reading hundreds of pages of contracts. But I think that it's important because a lot of people think that, oh, it's so easy to pull yourself up out of the slumps. Start your own business. Well, that might be nice to think about, but once you actually get to it and you realize how much there is to it, there's even more risk. And I mentioned also how a lot of these people don't realize that there's a legal remedy, so they just kind of get bulldozed. So helping them with like a contractual thing that can help them start a business, make the difference between starting and getting halted, pursuing your dreams versus not even getting to start the process. I just find that to be really important to help them make that first step.